Hello, welcome back to your channel Computer Masti with Ganga.
So first of all, open your Scratch software. This is Scratch 3.2.1. So today in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a tail of the sprite. So using a pen block. In this session, we are going to using one new block, that is pen. So first of all, go to more blocks. You can see here more blocks, and just below this one, okay, click on this addition sign, and from here go to pen block. So click on this pen block. Now you can see this pen here, pen block palettes here towards your left hand side screen. Now see, you can see this cat on the stage. Now I want to make a simple tail of this sprite. So how can we do? See, first of all, go to events, when green flag click, then go to motion, use this, move 10 steps. Now when I am clicking on this green flag, see, we can't see that trail, but here we have one block, that is pen. So go to pen block, select this pen block, from here do pen down. Yes, once we do pen down, see what happened. Now you can see one tail, blue color tail. Yes. So now next, if you want to erase this one, so go to erase all, go to erase all. Done. Now we are going to make a square. We are going to make a square on the stage. So how to do that? First of all, yes, move 10 steps we have already taken. So I am here, I am taking not 10 steps, I am taking 50 steps. Okay, so just you have to click on this and erase that value and insert 50 through your keyboard. Now next thing, 50 steps. Now we are going to take turn. Okay, so we are going to take turn 50 steps. After 50 steps it will turn 90 degree. Done. Then again it will move 50 steps, then it will again turn 90 steps, again it will move 50 steps, then again it will turn 90. Now see the difference when we click on this green flag. See, okay, so one more we have to take, then it is move 50 steps. So now if you want to make this sprite just left and right, if you want to make the face only left and right, so we need to go to this set rotation style left right. Okay, done. Now before that I am clearing this screen, erase all. Done. So when we click on this green flag, you can see here it is making square. Can you see here? Yes. Now if you want to change the color of this square, so you can do that also. So you have to do change pen color. So where is change pen color? Yes, set pen color to. Set pen color to. In the beginning I am taking this here, from here you can set this, then again I am taking after 50 steps, okay, this one, then again I am taking, then again I am taking here. So you can change the color of the square. You can see the change the color of the square. Okay, you can see here. Now if I want to change the thickness of this square, so what should I do? So go to set pen size, go to set pen size, set pen size, this one you have to take in the beginning, and I am taking here, suppose I am taking 5, I am changing pen size to 5. Now you can see here. Yeah. Now next thing is, I can't make this bigger square. Okay, so if I want to make that bigger one, what should I do? You have to change the steps. Suppose I am taking 100 steps here. Okay, I am changing this 50 steps to 100 steps, so we can make bigger square. Do you know square has 4 same sides? So see the difference. Yes, the bigger one. Okay, yes. Now if you want to erase this, all these marks on the stage, go to erase all. So click on this erase all. Done. Okay, so that's all for today's video. We will learn more about pen block in the next videos. So see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.